Yo, what's up? Okay, so, hold up. I'm gonna turn this shit down. Okay, so before I get into the video, I just want to say that I have good news. I finally have an editing software, which you probably saw in the last video. And because of this, now I'm able to edit my videos properly. So that's good. Uh, yeah, though sadly it leaves a watermark, so I don't really know what to do about that. I guess I'll just let it stay for now until I can figure out what to do about it later in time. But for right now, let's just get on with it. So basically, y'all remember last time how I sat there and created my OC. I looked around, complimented the place, looks nice, looks dandy. But as I started playing, there was some problems that I encountered. So I'll be explaining that right now. Okay, so here we are. Got my OC out. Let's see. Don't have the GUI. Wait. Let's go to key attacks for a moment. Let me show you guys a few things. So I was looking around through all the stuff. I think they changed it just a bit. Was it updated at all? Yeah, it was updated today. So that's good. So there's a lot of there was a few problems with the key attacks. I'm not sure if they fixed that. But like, let's see. Dual energy beam. Oh, also, I didn't realize because here, when you click on these, it gives you these little things down here. So you can fly, instant transmission, all that other sort of good stuff. But when you click on, say, melee attacks or key-based attacks, it puts it here in the GUI. And I didn't know why. And so I was like, okay, well, I guess that helps. It doesn't clutter up the taskbar, I guess. So anyways, dual energy beams. Fire these out. Pretty simple, it's pretty standard. Click it again, turns off. There were some things, however, that it apparently glitched. Like, you saw how like the GUI kind of disappeared. No, oh yeah, the little thing right here disappeared whenever I sat there and shot it. And when I clicked again, it turned it off, and thus I was able to turn it off like that. There were some times whenever I shot a blast, the thing would, all the attacks would still be there. And when I sat there and clicked again to get rid of it, all the attacks would just disappear. So then I was kind of like stuck. And I was like, well, shit. I don't know if they fix it. Let's try to find something that might do it. It usually happens to stuff like Kamehameha and all that. Let's see. Energy beam. Click it again. Click it again. There we go. Final explosion. Now stuff like this doesn't actually do anything, and I'm kind of confused why. Like there's no actual explosion or anything. It's just like he screams into the abyss. Nothing happens. It's like it's completely useless. Like they couldn't have some super massive explosion stuff happen or anything. Really? Final flash. Final flash just... Oh my god. I shit you not when I say the final flash disappointed me. Like I sat there, clicked final flash, thinking it was gonna look cool, but it just looks like a yellow Kamehameha with like a little bit of electricity coming off. He's supposed to have, first off, two things on each of his hands, which he combines together to make a super blast, which is supposed to be like massive, like this. Almost like the entire body sized. Not just the size of the waist, the size of the body. And then some, you know? It was supposed to be massive, but the fact that they didn't do that disappointed the hell out of me. I was like, they did my boy wrong. The poor blast. Gallic gun, pretty standard. Pretty easy. Kamehameha. Yeah, alright. It's like no charge up or anything, which is kind of disappointing. Successors had a bit of a charge up, so it was kind of like fun a bit. Let's see. Key Blast Barrage. It's not even a barrage. It's just a Key Blast. Are you kidding me? Let me check something for a second. Never mind. Last Emperor. Okay, so it's just like a energy wave, but like far more powerful. That should prove useful. Super Spirit Bomb. Oh. What? Oh, you have to click and hold it. That's pretty weird. Don't know why. So you click, hold it. It just keeps growing. Okay, then it stops. Then you throw it. And then I actually like that. That's actually really nice. Supernova. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is Frieza's thing. Oh yes, I remember now. Oh yes, Black Cell is going to love utilizing that. Super Kamehameha. Wait a minute, I just realized something. Hold up, let me see something for a second. Oh, if I hold it. Wait a minute. Charges up. Wait a minute. I may have misjudged something. Let me see something for a second. Hold up. Oh, I misjudged it. Okay, yeah, there it goes. Still, it's only half as big, but that could work, I guess. Solar Flare. As useless as it is, of course. This is actually pretty neat. I like this. Okay, so I've been testing around with a few of the abilities, some of the powers, and blasts and all that. It seems that they fixed a certain... Oh. Wait, no, they didn't. Okay. So there's somewhat of a slight glitch. Well, there used to be at least. Where, like, whenever you'd sit there and shoot a blast, if the blast stuff was still over here, you could actually turn it off, and then you'd get stuck in that position. Also, another thing I got apparently figured out that I got glitched. I got rid of all the abilities, but I can still shoot the Shining Gallic gun. I think that's what it's called. Let me see. No, that's not what it is. Shining Gallic gun. There it is. Click this, blast that. Turn that off, turn this off, and then it should... There we go, now it's fixed. So, pretty simple. Alright. At least it's not like broken glitched. Okay. Up around. There's a lot of different things as well. Let's see what works and what doesn't, so we're able to, keep track of all that stuff. So far we got Shining Gallic Gun, Final Kamehameha, Final Kamehameha. Let's just do them all one by one, bit by bit. Together. Okay. Final Kamehameha. Of course, it's a Final Flash and a Kamehameha merged together. Pretty interesting. Sand Shield. Ooh. I like this one. This could actually prove very useful for my guy. There we go. One-handed Kamehameha. I didn't even know what Sand Shield was until I actually used that. The Masenko. Wait. Hold on. Isn't this... Correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't this Piccolo's thing? I think so. But the way he put his hand up like that almost looked like Tien's. The Super Masenko literally just looks like the normal Masenko. Like nothing special. It's not bigger or anything. Special beam cannon. I like the little spiral that it shoots out. It's pretty cool. It kind of just looks like the final Kamehameha, but just like smaller. More condensed. Okay. I could do a lot with these things, actually. There's a few of these. I could do some crazy stuff. Probably call them a few other names so that way, you know, it isn't the same. Because usually I can't create my own blasts unless it's just like the normal wave thing. So like, I can't do that. So I have to use these attacks, but call them something different. Like for example, I could probably call the final Kamehameha, fucking, I don't know. I don't know what I'd call it, but I'd have to call it something different. I don't know, drill beam? Ultra drill beam, maybe? I don't know. Probably not as dumb as that. Drill beam doesn't sound like a very good name for a blast like that. But you know, you get what I'm saying. I would need to rename it. Okay, let's see. Golden Dome Attack. I don't know what this is. That's it. It just looks like the Masenko with like some sort of golden aura around you. Father, Son, Kamehameha. Oh, so that's the thing that keeps getting spammed over here. Like whenever you sit there and go into the menu, and it's not here. There's usually a thing that says like to join the group or something. Yeah, group list right here. And you click on the thing, the public one. Apparently, when someone tries to do the Father, Son, Kamehameha, it apparently like gets like a notification thing right here, and it's super annoying. Father, Son, Gallic Gun, Heat Dome Attack. What? Excuse me? What even is that one supposed to do? Is that just supposed to be like if someone's like directly over you? Because it looks stupid. It doesn't look very useful. Earthbreaker doesn't do anything at all. Evil Containment Wave doesn't do anything at all. So these ones here are kind of dumb. Black Kamehameha. Rose Kamehameha, Sudden Death Beam, Black Powerball, Super Black Powerball, Death Ball. Hop down here. Let's see. The Black Kamehameha. Oh, charging up a little more. Wait, hold up, I just realized something. Let me turn the music up just a bit so I can hear some stuff. Let me see, is there any sound? Oh, there is. Okay, so that could probably fit my character considering he's black, you know? So I could probably use Rose Kamehameha. Yeah, makes sense. Rose Kamehameha. Okay, Sudden Death Beam. Sudden Death Beam doesn't do anything. Black Powerball. Bigger? No, it does not. Okay. Super Black Powerball. Oh, Jesus. Oh yeah, my guy could totally use that. Death Ball. Oh. Ooh, I really want to use this for something. I wonder what I could do this for. Because, like, y'all know about like my alts and all that, and how I usually use them as like my extra help. Sort of sometimes my men sometimes. I can't sit there and trust anyone else to be my soldiers. So I just depend on myself, which is very useful considering there's not really that much opposition in terms of role-playing going on. Usually I could beat a lot of people. It's not that difficult. I'm not saying you guys are bad, I'm just saying that, like, I don't know. I don't mean to sound weird or anything. It's just, it's not fun just being the only guy who really roleplays the correct way. And in a very efficient manner as well. It's just kind of boring, you know? Hey, what the hell? Oh god, it burns my eyes. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, that burned my eyes. Oh, Jesus Christ, what the hell was that? Okay, just gonna ignore that. What is this? I haven't even been around here yet. TV. Over here. There's another room. I'll be there in a sec. Why are these doors like this? Come on. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Did they not... There's something right here getting stuck. I don't know what. It's annoying me. Let's see what's down here. Ah, I see. It's like an indoor beach area. That's interesting. Come down here. Come back around here. Don't know what these things are for. Things over here. Oh, it's the lab. Oh. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Okay, well that's the inside of here. Over here. Oh, it's like that little training area. I think Vegeta uses sometimes. Pretty cool. Alright. I didn't notice all that stuff was right there. It would be interesting for roleplayers. Let's see. The flying is a little bit wonky. Gonna have to get used to that. Oh, there's some stuff over here. Looks like a small village area, I guess. Let's see, where's my home at? There's a little house that I think Zamasu and Goku Black had. And somewhere nearby should be my... There it is. My lab. Ah, here it is. Ah, here's my home. I love this place. It'd be nice if it was like extended a little more. Maybe like give it like an extra door here. I mean, there's no way Jiro's lab was this tiny, was it? Like his lab was kind of bigger, and then he had like a downstairs area, I think. Like where does this pipe lead? It could lead somewhere else, you know? I could probably work with this. I'm content. In the outside area. And the outside area looks pretty nice. Little dome area. Pretty good. Yeah. I can work with this. There's some other stuff nearby. Like, the thing is good and all, but there are still some glitches, still some things going on. Was still a little confused about that. Just wanted to make a second review about that, because there's still a lot of stuff wrong with the thing, and I feel like it could have been done a little bit better, I guess. Also, because of the way they sat there and made everything now, it's a lot more difficult to try to get my old OCs back, because y'all remember the guys I had, right? The bootleg Ginyu Force. I can't really use them anymore. So they're basically non-existent, and I'll try to make new characters now. Also, I'm going to be trying to bring back Black Cell, because, you know, why the fuck not? He was supposed to be extremely powerful. Like, I'm not sure if I sat there and talked about, like... No, yeah, I sat there and was, like, nervous about talking about my little fan-made idea of, like, my character group and all that. I just thought it was a bad idea to sit there and talk about that, I think. I don't know, my memory's not that good. But, basically, he's supposed to be on par with the Angels. And in this roleplay, that can be possible. So I can kind of just, you know, use that. Basically, him, Kain, which is supposed to be a demon, I think this one's name was Kakitis, which is named after, like, the Ninth, like, the Circle of Hell, who was an Acrosaiyan as well. There's, like, 4 of them. Fuck, I would have to sit there and look back. Alright, give me a second, I gotta make a quick look. Okay, so after checking back, there are supposed to be, in the Quasar Army, I'm pretty sure, in the Quasar Army, run by a mysterious leader, there are 4 divisions. one that's run by Kain the Demon, which is Division A, or First Division. Second Division is run by Kakitas, which is the Acrosain. Third Division is run by a human named Johnny Cash, named after, Johnny Cash, the singer. And then Fourth Division is with Black Cell. I was thinking of probably, because each division has its own separate races. Like, Cell's race here, because he doesn't exactly have a race per se, They're not born, they're created. And thus, his division is consistent of races that are either unknown or not part of the other division races. Like, for example, Kain, of course, is the first division leader of demons. Whenever there's a type of demon that he thinks is a very powerful unit for the group, he tries to recruit them, and thus that's his entire group. Kakitas usually has Acrosains. Surprisingly, Johnny Cash doesn't just have humans, he has a few others as well that help him around. But he usually just trains humans, to try to become more powerful, because he sees a lot of potential in them and what they are capable of doing. And then Cell just has everyone else, And because there's a lot of everyone else, he usually has one of the largest divisions out there. So, there's that. And from what I was seeing with the rules section, these aren't just power scales. I mean, they are, but at the same time, they're just also the forms that they're able to gain. So, from what I'm seeing here, when it came to bio-androids, they're able to get semi-perfect, perfect, super perfect, god power, dark evolution, golden form, and then move their way up to Ultra Instinct. Ultra Instinct is angel level, and thus my guy can achieve that. So, with that, I am, then able to achieve being able to fight the angels, I guess. I don't know. I'm super tired right now. Just wanted to do another review of this. I'll be trying to sit there and look around for a few other things. So they sat there and updated it today, so I can't really talk about how broken some of the things are, but a few of the abilities that they have are kind of broken. Like, I sat there and showed, what was it? Where was it again? Solar Flare doesn't do anything. Perhaps, and this is just an idea for the creators, perhaps Solar Flare could just be like a massive light that shines everywhere, Or just like... Let me see. Hold on, where is it? What was it again? Golden Dome Attack, I think it was. So, you see that weird aura thing that he has? That's like super glowing? How something like that, but like much brighter, like much larger, and is like flickering, Because that's kind of what it looks like. That's what the Solar Flare kind of does. It's sort of like a flicker. And that's what it can do. Just use like the Golden Dome Attack thing, the little thing right there, on the Solar Flare when he puts his hands up, and just make it larger and just flickering of like a white, I guess. And there you go. Then you have that. That's just a bit of an idea, I guess. For stuff like Evil Containment Wave and Earthbreaker, they don't do anything. That's kind of disappointing. Let's see. I don't really know what Earthbreaker and Evil Containment Wave are. Like, I don't even know what these things are at all. You could probably just like scrap those. Just like either hold those off for another time or just get rid of these so that way they don't just take up space, This theme is amazing, actually. I like that. What the hell? What's it supposed to do, though? It doesn't do anything. Yeah, and it just looks like, it's just a pink Kamehameha. Death Saucer doesn't do anything. What the fuck is Death Saucer? Okay, so Death Storm does do something, but like you can hear it. It just doesn't do much of anything. Perhaps it's had like a bunch of explosions everywhere, I guess, because it's called Death Storm. So you know, imprisonment ball doesn't do much either. So Death Beam's good. Death Psycho Bomb is good. Death Cannon is good, I guess. Death also doesn't do anything. Death Storm, you can hear it, but it doesn't do anything. And Imprisonment Ball also doesn't do anything. Change the... Oh no. Hold up. Let's grab hold of these. Vaporize. If I remember anything from this one, I am a bit concerned. Change the future. My final message. Goodbye. Doesn't do anything. Majin Kamehameha. Okay, yeah, this is what that looks like. The Majin Kamehameha. The Death Blast, this looks like Majin Kamehameha, but, you know. Disfiguration Beam doesn't do anything. I think I have to, wait, do I have to click a person for these to work? Hold up. Huh. I'll do that later. Healing. Oh, that's pretty nice. Someone's on the ground, about to die. Just come up and heal them. Vaporize. Oh. Wait. Hold up. Just gonna launch this. And it just disappears. I like that. No explosion or anything, but I guess it's not supposed to be an explosion. It's just supposed to vaporize. That's pretty neat. What is this? Wait. Wait, what the hell is that? Revenge Death Bomber. Yeah, it doesn't do much of anything. So change the future, my final message, goodbye. That's a pretty good one. Majin Kamehameha just looks like Death Cannon, but, you know, a little more Kamehameha-y. Disfiguration Beam, I think you have to click someone to do that, I don't know. Healing, I like it. Vaporize, kind of like it. Could be useful for something. Revenge Death Bomber, nice. Planet Burst, Shocking Ball, Teleporting Vanishing Ball, what? Human Extinction Attack, Dimension Cannon, Super Ghost, Kamikaze Attack, what the fuck? The Planet Burst. Oh, it's one of these things. Oh shit. Oh my god, look at it move. Damn, that thing is on the move. Okay, Shocking Ball. All these little orb things, I swear. Could be useful for something. Teleporting Vanish Ball doesn't do much. Human Extinction Attack. Interesting. Oh. I think he's stuck. Oh no. Maybe we should just let it play out, I guess? Okay, yeah, no, it's stuck. It's definitely stuck. So you see what I mean, though? Human Extinction Attack gets you stuck, so avoid using that. So let's see, where were we again? Dimension Cannon, Super Ghost, Kamikaze Attack. Dimension Cannon. Oh. Cool, and it creates a portal, I guess. I don't know what this is supposed to even be. Oh god. And I'm dead. What the hell? Are you serious? What the fuck is that? What kind of shit? Okay, avoid that. Don't touch that. Super Ghost Kamikaze Attack. Doesn't do anything. Pretty sure that's another thing you have to click someone. Perfect Kamehameha. All clear. Perfect Barrier. Destructo Disc. Big Brain Crash. Twin Dragon Shot. All these weird names. Perfect Kamehameha. Oh. Oh, this is mad. Look at this. Oh shit. Oh, that is a thick blast. Look at that. That is a big blast. That's almost as big as what I would expect Final Flash to look like. All clear. Don't know what that is. Perfect barrier. Oh yeah, Black Sill is totally using this one. It's like the Saiyan barrier, the Saiyan shield, but like a lot better. I could use this for so many things. Like if I'm getting ganked by like 5 people, oh, I'm totally gonna use this to just like get rid of all their attacks. Just like, nah, fuck you. Destructo Disc. Doesn't do anything. Again, I think I need to click someone. Big Brain Crash. Create an orb, fire orb, blow up orb. Oh, that is a huge blast. I like that. Uh-oh. Twin Dragon Shot. Doesn't do anything. Okay. Doop, 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 doop. I like Perfect Barrier. Perfect Kamehameha. Those two are actually pretty nice. Dragon Hammer. Kai? Kiai? What? And then this one. Okay. So Dragon Hammer. Okay. Looks just like a Kamehameha. Fire now. Quick again. Oh! Oh, she's a dragon. That's pretty neat. Kai. Oh, what the fuck? What did that even do? What'd it do? That doesn't do anything. It just rumbles. Big Force Kamehameha. Oh, snap. Ooh. Oh, the thing that got me glitched the other day because I was stuck like this. This is cool thing. Okay, charge it up until it stops making noise, and then blast it. And then it just looks like the other Kamehameha, but just a lot more aggressive. Big Bang Kamehameha. That is a fat blast. Look at that. Fat and tubby like that. Huh. Nice. Bluff Kamehameha. Oh. Watch this shit. I'm about to blow the shit out of this tree. What the hell? Like, oh, okay. God Punisher. Oh. Soul Punisher. Oh, what the hell is that thing? And there it goes. I love how you just... Oh. I think I'm stuck. Okay. So, note to self. Don't use Soul Punisher. And what was the other one we said not to use? Human Extinction Attack. So don't use Soul Punisher or Human Extinction Attack until they fix those. Wow, that's actually really cool. I like all these. So, overall, let's see the few Black Sill could probably use. Because, as a matter of fact, how long has this been like going on? This is going on for like 30 minutes. Okay. So I think that's all for right now. Maybe later I'll try to go over a few other things. I'll be sitting there looking around, figuring out what fits with my character or not, and maybe create a few other OCs so that way I can create my roleplay group. Also, let's see. Before I end this off, I just want to talk about that. Alright. I have been playing around in the games, and I've been seeing that close to no one is actually role-playing. And if they do, they're even worse than before. So, I've decided to bring it upon myself that I will be actually trying to... It's like sort of like a roleplay class. I will actually be going out of my way to be teaching people in the game here how to roleplay. And I'll be doing it at specific times as well, because I have a lot of stuff I need to do IRL. I have a lot of stuff I need to do, and I can't be there all the time, so I'll be picking and choosing here and there when to be around so I can teach people how to roleplay. It won't be like a class, you know? In order to teach people about this sort of stuff. I have another idea of how to do that, but like a lot better at a later time. And with a much different game. So, for now, I guess, yeah, I don't really need to edit anything, so my Filmora thing shouldn't be down there, but it's good that I now have a new editing software, so that way I'll be able to, you know, do a few things. The Filmora thing, of course, will appear here and there because of the watermark and the thing at the very end, but I'll just leave that for right about now. I guess it adds like something else instead of it just being bland, me talking all the time. The Filmora, I guess, could add a little something else. And if you want to edit your videos, use Filmora 9. It's pretty decent. Kind of hard to figure out at first, but you'll get it. You'll get it. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.